What made you guys consider redoing your patio area?
We had a small patio that was concrete, and it was all cracked, and it had a faux surface on it, and it's beginning to get a lot of mold and mildew on it. So we had power wash it almost every 6 months or whatever, and it kept coming back. So we decided we wanted to get rid of that. Thought about just doing another stain over it, and then we saw the flyer that came from American Paving and Design, and it's like, oh, let's enlarge the patio.
So when you guys decided to contact us, did you have a design in mind, or did we help you with that design? How did that work?
I like to design things, so I'd already designed this. I knew exactly what I wanted to happen. We took out 5 shrubs and a tree at the far end, and then we extended it out because I wanted a place for the fire pit to have room around it, because the fire pit used to sit here and you couldn't really move around it because it was too close to the wall or too close to the edge. So now everything fits perfectly.
And from the time that you started to the end of your installation, what was the process like?
They came on time, like 9 o'clock on a Monday morning, and they began to chip away at the old patio. 2 guys were doing that. Other guys were already digging up the shrubs and taking care of all the other stuff and beginning to mark stuff up. So on the first day, we already had the retaining wall up, and they're still chipping up the old patio. So they were working at both ends of this patio at the same time. And it took them, God love them, it took them a day and a half to get the old patio up because it was almost 8-inch thick concrete.
How did you decide on the color and the pattern?
Well, I went down to your showroom, and this one appeared to have, because our house is yellow, this had some yellow tints to it and some darker shades that matched the floor on our screen porch and also matched our furniture, so we just went with this one.
Now that you have this gorgeous space, what do you find yourself doing out here more?
Well, not a lot yet because it's still been a little bit too hot. I am grilling. I got a new grill for out here, and so I do still grill. We haven't had any parties yet because of the COVID situation, but we can't wait to have our patio party because people have gone by on the golf cart path and they see it, and they can't wait to come for a party. So it's going to be a party place.
Would you recommend us to your neighbors?
Oh,
and your
absolutely,
friends?
absolutely. No questions.
Thank you.
You're welcome.